A small plane and a police helicopter collided in midair near Carlisle Airport in Cumberland County, Pennsylvania, leaving one person dead and two others injured. The incident happened at around 7:50 p.m. local time. According to authorities, the aircraft involved were a small Cessna 150 plane and a Bell 407 helicopter operated by the Pennsylvania State Police. The plane had only one person on board, its pilot. Sadly, the pilot did not survive the incident. The helicopter was carrying two Pennsylvania State Police aviation officers, Corporal Bryce Corman and Trooper Jason Mills. Both officers were injured and were taken to hospital for treatment. Officials said they are expected to recover. The helicopter crew had reportedly been carrying out a routine training exercise near the airport. At the same time, the small plane was approaching the area. According to the information released so far, the plane attempted to move away at the last moment, but it still struck the rear section of the helicopter. The impact caused both aircraft to come down. Officials described the incident as a very serious and violent collision. The helicopter ended up on its side, with the two officers initially trapped inside. One of the officers, Corporal Corman, was able to break open a window and help Trooper Mills get out. Emergency crews quickly arrived at the scene and transported both injured officers to a medical facility. Authorities have praised the emergency responders and medical teams for their quick actions. Officials also said the situation could have had an even more serious outcome. The Federal Aviation Administration and other authorities are now investigating exactly what happened. One of the important questions is why the helicopter and the approaching plane were occupying the same area at the same time. At this stage, investigators have not announced a final cause. They will examine flight paths, communication records, aircraft information, and other evidence to understand how the collision occurred. For now, the focus remains on the injured officers and on determining what led to the incident. In my opinion, this is a reminder of how important communication and awareness are around busy airport areas. I hope the injured officers make a full recovery and that the investigation provides clear answers about what happened.